since I was in school, elementary school, because that was the thing, you know, go to the library, get some books, and because we were from big families and we couldn't afford to buy books. You come to the library. That was your fantasy then.
Right, and it's going to be sad when it closes down because there's very little here on Bell Island, and the library is like one of the main things here for the kids, and it's just going to be sad when it closes down.
We have them coming in here in strollers, and they remain. When I first started coming here 14 years ago, little ones were coming in. Well, now they're up in their 20s now. You know, and now they're bringing their own little ones in here. It's not proper to shut us down on islands when we only have the one library. It's not. It doesn't make any sense. Put it that way. And I'm hoping that there'll be a last-minute reprieve, like people on death row. Like it isn't guaranteed yet.